Welcome to today's video. I just got off of work, at work again with this real estate. Part-time real estate investor. I'm here at the house. A 3-1, a lead I got from one of my good friends, a brother of mine, Matt, MSJ Insurance. Shout out to him. This is a nice house. I'm waiting on the owner to come to show up. So try to get a little film for us. I don't want it to be kind of weird, so try to do what I can. But this is a nice 3-1. Nice yard. Fun fact, I have a rental in the same neighborhood right now as we speak. So this will be a great buy for me. So I'll try to keep y'all updated what's going on. Try to get some video like I said, but I don't want it to be weird. But hopefully I can get this deal. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all real quick, I don't know if y'all follow my Instagram, but y'all should be realestate.entrepreneur. When you wholesaling or buying houses for investment, you always want to talk to the neighbor, because the neighbor will tell you everything that's going on with the house. Good, bad, ugly, or not. They'll tell you even somebody died in the house. So a key fact is always speak to the neighbors. Be nice to them, you know, ask them what's going on, and just ask them about the property. Ask them about the old neighbor, the old tenant or the old owner, and just try to dig as much information out of them as you can. That's my fun fact. Y'all stay tuned. What's going on, YouTube? It's Friday. I just pulled up to the bank. As y'all know, if y'all watched my previous videos, just started my little journey with the Section 8 thing. So I like it so far. Got my second check in. We about to go put this thing in my bank account and in the business bank account. So just talking about Section 8. I like it so far. The checks always come in the first, if not the first day of the month, like the second day of the month. It just depends on when the first day of the month falls. I think this one, the first day of the month of July, felt like on the weekend or something. But anyway, yeah, I like this mailbox money. It's not bad. It's real good, but it's a hassle just going to the bank. But it's not that bad. Shit, cashing those checks is not really bad. But anyway, I just want to share the little Section 8 thing because I'm at the bank. But I see the house on Cleveland should be done this weekend, because as y'all seen those doorways, the door frames, they finishing that out today. So they should be painting right behind them. So that's pretty much it. And then we just got to put the light fixtures. So it should be done by Sunday. So I give y'all an update on that. And I'll talk to y'all right when I get out. Hey, I just got to the house on Cleveland. Here it go. But I'm not going to show y'all. I'm going to save it for another video. But back on the Section 8 stuff. Section 8 get a bad rap for some reason. I think they get a bad rap because people, like landlords, they know that the government is gonna pay the rent and it's gonna go straight to their house or their bank account or however they have it set up. So they're just looking at the money part. So what they do is, in my opinion, the first person that has that voucher that likes that house, they say, hey, you can come stay here. What they should be doing is vetting these people just like they're a regular tenant at another property that's not on Section 8. So what I'm saying is, if they have 5 applications, you need to do your research on those 5 people to make sure they're a good fit for your property, so they won't tear it up. And then you have to put more money into it when they move out. So it's basically just like you're hiring somebody, like your employer, like say you're a manager at Lowe's and you need a position filled. You're not gonna hire the first person that walked through the door. You're gonna interview a couple of people that you like the application, and then you're gonna pick the best fit. Same thing for Section 8 and any other house. You're gonna do your background check. You're gonna make sure they are capable of affording the rent. Well, in Section 8, the government paying, but anyway, you're gonna see how they live. Contact the old landlord. Are they good people? Do they keep up the house? Are they calling me every 10 minutes for some BS, small stuff? So that's what I think old landlords do. They don't vet their tenants. I'm at Sonic, hold on. Yeah, like I was saying before I got interrupted, you have to interview all these tenants, just like it's any other house. And people get the misconception that Section 8 is only a house in the hood, which isn't true. Any house could be on Section 8. As long as it meet the Section 8 requirements, it could be on Section 8. So I think it's pretty good because I do my due diligence. Well, I did my due diligence on the Section 8 tenant that I have. So I think it's pretty good, and I'll keep on doing it. As long as everything's good, the government is not on no shady stuff, not sending them checks in. As long as they're not on no stuff like that, we will continue to do it in my business. So that's my little rant on Section 8. So I just wanted to throw that out there. And I'm probably posting this video on Monday. So if y'all watching this on Monday, for everybody that's local, I'll be in Baton Rouge tomorrow at an event. One of my friends holding an event. I'll be talking about business credit. If y'all interested in that, please come out and learn a little something about business credit. And I'll see y'all in the next video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if y'all enjoyed the content. And share the video too with other people. And I'll see y'all in the next video.